god. Hey my babes, so today I come back. It's very funny how even when you're not around, I feel you boring. I feel you boring. Everything is just right now. I'm at home with my mom. Hey my babes, hey, my name is Teeh, Mncwango, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my vlog if you are new here, and welcome back if you are a returning babe. I appreciate you so much if you're a returning babe, and thank you so much for dropping by. If you're new here, I hope that you like it here, and I hope that you do stay and join our family. This is me during the middle of the vlog. I already had an intro, but unfortunately it didn't have sound and there was nothing I could do about it, so I had to start over. But nonetheless, I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned, watch till the end. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Out of 3 at this point, I'll work with anything. Here's a sign we all know the way to.
Grammy Award-winning Afrobeat hitmaker Thames is coming to Johannesburg. Born in a wild child. 20 March 2025, The Dome.
I'm in a future, I got a future, I got the dirt, I got the rules. Hundreds, I get it. I'm from the future, don't never.
Hey my babes, I'm in my housekeeper's bedroom. I wanted to quickly do this haul, and yeah, I did tell you guys that I was gonna get a few more items for my son on my previous vlog when I was getting him items from Guess. And yeah, this is just some of the items. He's already started wearing the items that I got him from H&M, and I just kept these ones from Cotton On for this haul. And yeah, let's get into it. This is a sneaker that I got. So cute. This is an everyday sneaker that he's going to be wearing at school. Perfect for running and getting dirty, going into the sand, whatever it is that he's going to get up to. So this is the top that I think would match these shoes very perfectly. The aesthetic fits. I think the aesthetic fits very well. These sneakers and this golf top make sense, right? They make sense. I like it. And there is my second favorite. Actually, this one is my most favorite. I love this top more than anything, more than everything that I got. I love this. It's my favorite actually. And then we have this for a casual day, whenever that may be. And yeah, one thing about me, I'm giving you this is the first top. It's like, it looks see-through. It looks see-through, but like it's just a really good and fair amount of see-through. When you wear it, it actually looks so classy. So because it doesn't look interesting unless I'm wearing it, I'm just gonna be showing you guys the fabrics actually, just so it makes sense why I got these items. Let me see. So this is the fabric of this one. I think that's what makes it special for me. I love the fabric, and this is almost off the shoulder, by the way. It's long enough, and this is what this one is looking like. You see, I just love these kind of fabrics. They are giving classy. Traveling literally in 2 hours. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm still packing. I wanted to quickly unbox this because I want to wear it, and then yeah, we'll catch up soon.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so
this love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. You are love. You're the positive motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know, let me know, let me know.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you?
Hey, what's up? I'm at my mom's house and I'm actually about to leave. I came to fetch her before going to Durban to go and catch my flight from there. And yeah, it's just having a little catch-up session, and then we're gonna get a few things, and then I will be on my merry way. Off we go to Durban. My flight is at night, but I just want to make sure that I have enough time to, you know, set myself up, check in, and just, you know, even before I check in, I want to have enough time. I've had a lot of things that taught me the lesson to be on time. So I've suffered too much in my life, so now I always do things early. It's almost 3 p.m. My flight is at 8, which means I need to be in Durban by 5:30 so that I can be able to check in by 6. And yeah, I'm gonna start off early and see you then. See you in Durban.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began.
this drink. This is a drink that I ordered. I've never had this before. It's a virgin. I'm not drinking alcohol. This is how it's looking. And then they decided to give me this right here, complimentary. I tried to taste it. It doesn't have like any sweetener or sugar or anything like that. It's soda, cranberry, and these strawberries. I'm not sure if everything is natural because I can't taste any sugar, but then like it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like soda with no sugar. I'm having this burger and these chips. I literally came here to take nice pictures. I had absolutely no intention of sitting and eating, but obviously you can't go into a restaurant and then just sit and take pictures and leave. So yeah.
Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you.
So this is starter kit, and then this is your daily cleanser I use each and every day.
Okay.
This is your scrub that you use twice in a week.
Okay.
And then this is your ingrown repair that you're gonna use from tomorrow for 7 days.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's it.
Thank you.
Boy, oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause
I'm here in the fitting room trying to see what looks good on me and what doesn't. All I need is 2 tops because I'm only going to be at the nature reserve for like 2 days. So if both of these tops look good on me, then I'm gonna take both. I don't know what this detail here is, but I hope it's gonna look good once I wear it. I'm trusting and believing in whatever it is that they've done here. And there's this almost see-through top, and I like these kind of tops because they always just end up looking good. So I'm only gonna be there for like 2 days, and there's only 2 outfits that need tops. The other outfits I'm packing don't need tops, they're already sorted. And then there's also dresses that I'm gonna add because I obviously need to have at least like 6 options, if not more. No, 6, yeah, 6 or like 7 options, just so I'm not limited. And I think I'm good on the thingy, on the jackets and stuff. I just need these 2 tops for the 2 pants that I feel need a few more options when it comes to tops. I'm not sure what the situation is supposed to be with this top, but I don't think it suits me. Yeah. I don't think it suits me. It's I don't know how it's supposed to look, but I don't think it suits me, and I'm not seeing the vision. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm not feeling it, you know. It's not. And also here, I think the material is not strong enough for it to do what I thought it was going to do. So yeah, one thing I like about this already is that it's a G-string. Oh my gosh, the convenience. And I hate those bodysuits that make you look like you're wearing a full panty. That's a plus for me already. Girl, you are winning my heart already. I think from here I'm just gonna go to Zara and check for one more top because this one did not do it for me, and I haven't tried this on yet, but I think I'm gonna like it already. So now, when I tell you that H&M is literally catching up with Zara, I just took this and put it here. So now, I think this costs like double the price when you go to Zara, but the quality is literally the same. I was touching everything at Zara just to make sure I'm not making a mistake, and I'm about to show you these coats. So now, it's very funny how I left here thinking I was gonna get more interesting stuff at Zara and stuff, but let me tell you, H&M is really catching on to Zara. Remember, H&M is really catching on to Zara. I got to Zara and I really found some really cute items. But now the thing is, when you find something at Zara that they already have at H&M and the quality is just as good for less, how can you choose to pay more? You know, so I already got this item from H&M before, that top that I fell in love with. And then when I got to Zara, I almost got a thingy. There's two tops that I liked. Then I wanted to come back here to make sure that I'm making the right decision, because also I'm thinking, I can buy a top, like I've got tons of those, but when it comes to some of these coats, Sana, they are such a necessity, especially when it comes to like finishing your look up. You can dress simple and look classy, but sometimes a cute jacket like this can just elevate your look. So I wanted to weigh my options, and yeah, let's see. How am I like it. I like it. It is giving. How am I? Zara and H&M. Zindala zombili sana. Zindala zombili. How am I? Oh my god. I guess it doesn't condala zombili. H&M kaluba mdala manje, because how can you have such good quality and charge less? Okay, I'm not saying charge more. Please don't, eh? This is very nice and convenient. But wow. Okay. I'm all for it. I think I would have paid like 1.3 for this if I got it from Zara, but it's only 700 at H&M. Oh my gosh. What do you even mean? Okay. Ooh. Material. Check out the material. Who need? You know what? I'm happy. So H&M Sisuwagude, and you are killing it, my babe. I used to always feel like I had to go and buy jackets at Zara after buying tops and dresses from H&M, but right now H&M's killing it. H&M is killing it. I love how this is sitting. You know, I just can't wait for them to finally have these kind of coats, but like more defined and maybe just a bit cropped, you know, kind of like what Zara is doing. I can't wait until H&M starts doing that as well, but so far I'm happy. They are doing great. Now I'm just a bit confused about whether to take this or this, or should I take both? Okay, this is when I start asking for more opinions outside of the fitting room. Hey my babes, I come back. Let's do a quick haul. So I ended up getting this jacket. I asked for other people's opinions by the fitting rooms there, and honestly, yeah, I see what they see. They were also like in love with this one. This one has more detail and it's just giving. Also the other one was bigger on the arms. This one fits my arms perfectly, and also like it just sits very well even on my waist and everything. The other one is a bit oversized even though it's an extra small. So yeah, but I was almost confused, and I'm glad Guti I asked for more opinions, and Manje, this is the one I'm going for. And I also got this top, Sana. Oh, love it. So Now that I've chosen to take this jacket, i-outfit yami ingathi izoshintsha ke manje. I-outfit yami ingathi seyizoshintsha, angeke isafana nendlela bekumele ibe yiyo. Hey my babes, so today is the day we are about to get on that road trip to our short-lived sana. Yeah, this is the beautiful mess that's currently going on right now. I haven't taken out some of the things, but I'm gonna just quickly show you what I'll be pairing with what, or maybe I can just do that when I get to the hotel. No, I'll show you while I'm here. And I know you guys ain't seen me shopping for Louis Vuitton, okay? This one belongs to these initials, but I will be using it for this trip. And yeah, let's do this. What's happening here is that I'm picking a lot of brown colors and white, just so that I can keep things neutral. And I'm only going to carry 2 bags, this one and this white Coach bag. I'm just gonna take it out just in case you're new here. Okay, so these are the only 2 bags that I'm going to carry, this white bag and this brown bag, because all the clothes that I'm carrying here are either brown or white, whatever, off-white, cream white, and just to keep things neutral. And then, you know, these are our browns, khakis, and, you know, this almost some type of green, you know, just neutrals, and then there's these brown pants. I think, yeah, this fits in everywhere. Whatever it is that I choose to wear out of all these things, this bag will look good. And whatever it is that I choose to wear, this bag will also fit very well. And so, yeah, I'm really happy with my choices. Nothing is colorful here. We are only just doing, is it monochrome colors? I think that's what they call them. Love you. Tando be my Valentine.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life.
So here we are at Eco Hotel, and this side is just the toilet, and from here we have, oh Sana, this is so blissful and so beautiful. And we have these 2 gowns over here. And we have our bathroom here with a tub and 2 sinks. This is just so beautiful, guys. It is screaming romance, okay? Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. If you see this, it'll be after Valentine's Day already. But also, I just hope that you enjoyed your Valentine's Day with your love or with your besties, you know. Doesn't have to be with a man, Sana. And there's our bathtub. And these 2 gowns with the flip-flops and some towels over there. Oh Sana, I love the view. Even just from here, imagine bathing and this is what's behind you. Oh, in front of you, actually. Yeah, like imagine bathing and this is your view. How guys, Taba Eco Hotel. I'm so glad that, like, I'm always watching these vlogs where like people are traveling even like within South Africa and exploring all these places. That's how I actually discovered Taba Eco Hotel, and I'm so glad I did. Look at this beautiful view. Ah, my gosh. And the screen. How often do you see such a big screen in a hotel? Almost never. And how am I? This is the bed. I love everything here, like just attention to detail. Beautiful. I'm happy. And there's a complimentary, oh, what's that, a hairdryer, and then there's complimentary alcohol and snacks. And keep posing Hunter's gold. They gave us 3 options. You get to choose whether you want complimentary wine or whiskey or gin. Oh, not whiskey, gin, or ciders and beer. I chose ciders and beer because it's just so easy to drink a cider when you're chilling, you know. But I figure Hunter's Gold, and Hunter's Gold is like a laxative. Who wants to go through such on a getaway, you know? This is the best thing that could ever happen to people who live in Joburg, Sana, because there's barely much we can actually do here in Joburg, you know. This is the best thing to happen to Joburg, because like restaurant, you know. Like, I love this for us. I love this for us. It's so beautiful. You're on a nice getaway somewhere. I love this for us. Love this for us. And yeah, that is it. I will see you guys shortly at dinner. I'm not gonna put makeup on, but I will fix this hair up and put on a cute outfit and just be cute, natural me. Also, you enjoy a lot when you don't have makeup to worry about, you know. Yeah, so that is it. I'll see you shortly. One thing about this man, Sana, every time he buys me flowers, he's always adding alcohol. No man. Every time I could give and receive champagne. Tando Joella. What is that supposed to mean?
I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I